Students, all of you see page number 16. I am reading what makes India a federal country. In this paragraph, you have to understand how is our federalism, our country's federalism. So try to understand. We have earlier seen how small countries like Belgium and Sri Lanka face so many problems of managing diversity. Small countries like Belgium and Sri Lanka, we have studied in chapter number 1, how both of them, Belgium and Sri Lanka, faced so many problems regarding diversity. What about a vast country like India? Our country is a vast country, and you can see there is too much diversities with so many languages, religions and regions also. What are the power sharing arrangements in our country? So we have to understand how country's power is shared in our country. Let us begin with the constitution. So we will see the constitutions. India had emerged as an independent nation after a painful and bloody partition. We got independence. And as we got independence, we have experienced what? A painful and bloody partition. It means Pakistan, which was separated from our country soon after independence. Several princely states became a part of the country. So many princely states. Now, these states were ready to become a part of our country, but some not. The constitution declared India as a union of states. So many states were ready to become a part of our country. So the constitution of our country declared what? India as a union of states. Underline, union of states. Although it did not use the word federation. In our constitution, federation, this word which is not mentioned to describe our country. In place of it, a union of states which is mentioned. The Indian Union is based on the principles of federalism, but our union of states, which is formed on the basis of principles, characteristics of federalism. Let us go back to the 7 features of federalism mentioned above. Now, just we have to revise whatever you have studied, 7 features of federalism in the above paragraph. We can see that all these features apply to the provisions of the Indian Constitution. So all these 7 features which we can say the related to our constitutions means all these features are related to law of our country. The constitution originally provided for a 2-tier system of government. Our constitutions, in our constitution we can see the power is shared how? Into 2-tier system of government. Two type of government. First one, the union government, where union government, or we can say what we call the central government for the union government. And union government representing means what? Union government, it represents the Union of India and the states governments. Now there are 2 tiers. One is the union government, central government, and another is state governments. Later, a 3rd tier of federalism was added in the form of panchayats and municipalities. Now third type of government also added in our country. Now another form of, we can say, the panchayats as well as the municipalities. As in any federation, these different tiers enjoy separate jurisdictions. Here jurisdiction means power to govern to rule. So we can say that each different we can see the different tiers, different levels: central government, state government, and third type of government, local government. So we can say now all these different governments enjoy, they have separate power to rule, to run the government. It's called jurisdiction. The constitution clearly provided a threefold distribution. Here threefold, underline threefold. Fold means here part. Three part of the distribution power, which is divided into three parts of legislative powers. Legislative power means whatever the country's power, which is divided into three parts. Fold distribution, threefold distribution means three into three parts. Between the union government, the power of country, which is divided in how between the union government and state government. Thus it contains three lists. Now in this, now we are reading the three list, the power, country's power, which is divided. So first list, union list, we have to read in next clip. Second one, state list, and third one, we can say the concurrent list. Concurrent list means joint and equal in authority. Jointly list means both the state government as well as the central government and state government, both of them enjoy same power. We'll read in next clip this one.